Hello friend, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to perform merge operation in Power BI or Power Query. So add here, here you can see this is the Power BI desktop. Now you need to click this transform and transform data. After that here you can see the new page open, and here this is untitled Power Query editor. So there I already import some files and some tables. So here this is the employees table record. So employees table I selected because here you can just click select 1000, and here you can see this is the department ID inside employees table, and let's select 1000 from department, and here department ID. So department ID both are present inside employees and department and has some matching values. So let's see here. So here when you select home, here you can see merge queries. So if you take the cursor on the merge queries, here you can see merge this query with another query in the file. And here if you click a drop down box, here you can see merge queries as new. So if I click merge query, so there is no extra query open at this place, and here you can see merge page that open. So here select a table matching column to create a merge. So employees already selected. Now here I'm going to select department, and here this is the record inside department, and move to this point, and here you can see department ID. So you need to select this one, and here after when I select, there is nothing selected at this place. So here I'm getting the message select the same number of columns from both visual table to continue. So this is OK button disable. Now if I click this, so here you can see the selection matched 107 of 107 rows from this first tab. So here I can perform any kind of operation like join kind, here right, left, full, and here inner. So let's see inner join, and here, so this is the condition department ID of employees, and here department ID of department table. So when both are equal, then that merge. So here this is the employees table record, it's come at left place, and here it's on visual. Now you need to click this option here, click on OK. Now you can see here this is 90 match with 90, 90, 90, 60. Only you can see matching value at this place by selecting inner join. So with the merge query we can combine two files or two tables here. Now here after let's use this time EMP table, and here merge. So this time going to select merge as a new. So merge as a new. Now here DPT table, and here going to select sorry, this is the EMP table, DPT table. So DPT table 20, 30 only are there, and here 10, 20, 30. So select this option first, select this, and here this option, and you can perform, let's perform inner join. So inner join that only return matching value, click on OK. Now here there is a one query that open, the name is merge1, and here this is EMP table record on the left side, and here this is the DPT record. If you want to see, then here you can see this is or DPT table record, and here 20, 20, 30, 30, it's all match. 20, 20, 30, 30, it's all a matching value, it's displaying. But if I go at this place on DPT, select 1000, and here it has value 10, 20, 30, 40, but in EMP here 10, 10, 20, 30 only, no 40. So with when you apply inner join, so inner join that only return matching values. So only matching value. Now hereafter let's take this time dev1, and dev1 has this record, and this is selected, and here click merge as a new. Now merge as a new, that I just click, and hereafter going to select dev2, and here 20 Helen, 20 Helen both present inside dev1 and dev2. So let's select left outer. So by using left outer, so it return left part, left table records, and only matching from the right. So here select this option, and here click on OK. So when you click here, merge one curates open, and here left record, and when I click this option, and here 20 Helen, so both are present inside left and right. So this is the right part. Okay. Now hereafter let's select dev1 once again, merge as a new query. Now this time going to use right. So here dev2, let's select, and here right outer join. So right outer join that I just selected, here this option both are selected, it's enable, and right so right table record that display and matching from the left. Click on OK. Now you can see one query created, and here so right table record it's displaying, and left only matching. Now hereafter let's select file 1. So file 1 has the 10, 20 this values. Now merge as a new, and here going to select file 2, and hereafter this part has been turned left, right, full, and here if I select full, and here let's see, so full outer that combined left sorry full outer join is used to combine both table records, matching, non-matching, everything. Here you can see left table records and right table records. Now let's select file 1 once again, and here as a new, and here going to select file 2, and this place left empty, so left part that not display, only right part. Here select OK. Now here you can see, so here file 2, so here file 2 left empty means left part only records displaying, not right part. So left part that file 1 10, 20, and file 2 30. Now hereafter let's select file 1 once again, and here merge as a new, and here file 2 going to select, and here right empty. Now click on OK. Here you can see, so right table record it's displaying 30, 40, no left. So here this is the use of merge query. So merge query is only used to combine two table, two files. So here we can perform inner outer, left outer join, right outer join at this place. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.